Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to bet on Betmgm. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open your web browser, then on the search bar, type in Betmgm. Once you press enter, you will get these kind of results. From this, click on the first link. Then it will ask you to select a location. So from this list, select the location, and once you have selected the location, it will take you to its home page. Now once you're on this page, you'll have to log into your account. So log into your account. And if you don't have an account yet, you can create one by clicking on this sign up button. And if you already do have an account, click on this login button. Go ahead and provide a login credentials and then click on this login button. And in case if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link to reset it. Once you click on this login button, you'll be logged into your account. Now, once you have been logged in, first of all, you'll have to deposit some amount into your account. To do so, click on this deposit button at the top right corner, and they will ask you to enter your bank details and also enter the amount that you want to deposit. Without doing that, you cannot place a bet. Once you have completed that step, the next step is to select any sports. So select any sports. I'll just select basketball, and then it will show me different matches. So from this list, select the match that you want to place bet on. So I'll just click on this one. Now once you're on this section, all you have to do is click on the order that you want to place bet on. I'll just click on this one, and then the bet slip will be shown on the right hand side. So this is your bet slip. Now to place a bet, click on this box. Then enter your stake. It will say insufficient funds because I haven't deposited any amount in my account. But after you do it, it will give you and place a bet button. Once you see that button, click on it and you'll successfully place a bet. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful.